In Sonoma County, California, a rare win by non-U.S. citizen workers on non-immigrant temporary work visas with the union. Now, Mauritson Farms in Sonoma County, they're going to pay 21 of its former workers, all who are on H-2B seasonal working visas, the 6-month seasonal working visa. They're going to pay 21 employees $328,077 as part of a settlement with the California Agricultural Labor Relations Board. It's called the ALRB. Following an investigation spurred by the farm workers' complaints, the ALRB officials determined that Mauritson Farms retaliated against an entire crew of former H-2B employees because some of them organized at the end of 2021 growing season to speak out against unsafe working conditions. Now, what is so special about these workers is that they were non-immigrants from Osaka, Mexico. They were in the country on H-2 visas, and the H-2 visas allow agricultural workers to stay in the U.S. for obviously a limited period of time, for months at a time. And it was reported last year that despite promises from company leadership, none of the workers who spoke out were called back for the 2022 season. So in its complaint filed against Mauritson this past March, the ALRB determined that Mauritson did not sponsor these workers to come back and work in their fields because they tried to put a labor union together. Martin Rivera, one of the workers who spoke up against the conditions at Mauritson Farms, said, "When I got the news, I thank God it went this way because this was not easy. We were all afraid to speak up." He's currently in Osaka, Mexico, and he's working several jobs to support his wife, who's expecting their first child. Sandoval Rivera and his colleagues said they experienced verbal harassment from their supervisor, were denied shade while working in the fields on days that were hotter than 90 degrees, and did not receive breaks for lunch, except for a few occasions, all of which violates California labor regulations. 6 of the workers, including Sandoval, sought the support of labor rights groups to mediate the situation. Now, at this mediation, Vineyard manager Cameron Mauritson promised that conditions would improve and assured the workers that he would hire them again in 2022, relieving the workers of their biggest worry of not getting hired back and not getting new visas to return. But come 2022, the farm never hired them back. And since they never got hired back, they got stuck in Mexico with no work and no ability to make a living. So when the workers from Mexico realized that they could not return on their visas, they filed a claim with the ALRB, who found that Mauritson Farms retaliated against the entire team of workers, 21 workers in total from Mexico. The $328,077 settlement, which is going to benefit all 21 laborers, represents what the workers lost by missing the 2022 growing season. So congratulations to the farm workers in this case, and may this set a precedent for immigrant workers to feel able to speak up if they face workplace mistreatment or abuse. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.